back to my channel. It's your girl Nude. I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is going to be a try on haul. I know you guys are excited because I haven't done a try on haul in forever. Unfortunately, this is like an unconventional try on haul. This is a mixture between clothes that I found at Mad Rag and Fashion Nova. I will link what I can down below. And I'll try to find similar items if I cannot find the items from Mad Rag, because Mad Rag doesn't have an online store, so it's kind of hard. It's a hit or miss. You kind of have to see what you find. But I found some really cute pieces, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. I've been really consistent, so please, guys, help me get to at least 50K by the end of this month. That's my goal. I feel like I can do it. I've been slacking on YouTube, and I feel like if these other girls are making it, I could definitely make it. I get the views, so I need to start getting the subscribers, and I need to keep you guys hooked. I've been vlogging, so you guys get to see my business. You guys met my man, so make sure you check out those vlogs too, and there'll be plenty more where that came from. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's get started. The first item I have today is this, I put an outfit together basically. It's this graphic tee, cropped graphic tee with these leather joggers, I guess you could say, that I found at Mad Rag. Both of these items are from Mad Rag. Super cute. This graphic tee has cutouts at the cleavage, so it gives you a little sex appeal. These leather joggers are from Mad Rag as well. They are size 1X, and they're actually a little loose. These are super stretchy. Anytime you see this latex material, it's super stretchy, so you can definitely size down. They're long, they go all the way to my ankle, and you guys know I'm 5'10", so that says a lot. They stretch all directions, so you can't really go wrong with this material. I just like these earth tone looks, especially on my skin tone. I have a really golden skin tone, so I just feel like it really looks good on my skin tone. This for me is like a date night outfit. I absolutely love it. Me and my man, we always go to like bars and stuff like that and get drinks, so I feel like this is the perfect fit to throw on if we're just like going to a bar. The next thing I got is this t-shirt and this blazer. You know, you could find a earth tone t-shirt anywhere, but this blazer is super cute to me. I feel like you could throw it on with like jeans or maybe some leggings and like a plain shirt. You can just spice it up with this blazer. I feel like I don't have that many like little mini coats that I could throw on, so I try to get a cute one every time I see it. And this is just a little something that I saw. This is not an outfit that I would wear together, but I don't think it looks that bad actually. I feel like anytime you put color schemes in the same outfit, it's gonna look fire, so yeah. The next thing I got is this bodysuit, or a jumpsuit, I guess you can call it. This reminds me of my outfit online's jumpsuit, but this is like a play on it. It's a different material, it's a lot thicker, and this one is a lot bigger. It's actually a 2X, and I customized it, so I actually changed it. This is not how it originally looked, and I love it. I can try to make a video on how I customize my jumpsuits for you guys. If you guys want that, please comment down below and like this video if you guys want a video on how I customize pieces that don't quite fit my silhouette. But I love that it comes with this overcoat because this is so cute. Me and my man plan on taking a ski trip soon, and I feel like this is a cute little like cabin outfit. Not to go outside, because you'd have to wait for like springtime or summertime to wear this out. But I feel like for a cute indoor, drinking some hot cocoa outfit, a house outfit, this is it. This is super cute. I absolutely love it. I love the color. Again, earth tones. I just feel like earth tones and black are my thing. I like to stick to that, so yeah. This next thing is a two-piece set. Honestly, I don't know why I bought this. I love green, I think, and so when I saw it, I was like, I'm gonna get it. But I don't absolutely love it, to be honest. I think I would have to like switch it up a bit. The top, I almost wish it cut lower, if that makes sense. Or it was just like higher. I don't know, but I don't really like it that much. I do like the color. I like the color on my skin, but I don't necessarily love this outfit, especially the fact that you can't wear a bra with it, because my titties are real. Like, they're not sitting on my chin, so where's the support? I wish I had like a little built-in cute bra. Maybe I'll get a green bralette and like wear it open. I don't know. The next item I got is this little like, it's actually a lingerie top, but I got it as like a bustier, like corset kind of outfit shirt or whatever. I would definitely not wear it with these green leggings, but I just didn't have anything else. But I absolutely love this top. I seen Alexis Sky put something similar on in red one time, and she was getting like tied up into it. So it must have been a real one. This is not a real one. This zips in the back. It's like that latex material. It's really stretchy. It's actually a little bit too big for me. I wish I sized down. But I absolutely love it. It comes with these panties. They're also like a patent leather latex look. So yeah. The next item I got is this dress I got from Mad Rag. Again, earth tones. It's actually really, really cute. I knew it was going to be cute when I saw it, but it's even cuter than I expected. I love this color. I love it on my skin. I just feel like it makes me look like naked. Like, it's super sexy. I just, love it. I have a shirt this color and I rock it to death. I absolutely love this color. I don't know why. Something about this color just makes me feel like sexy. Like, I don't know. And I feel like it makes my skin tone pop. So I really like it. I love halter tops. Love everything about this dress. I wouldn't change a thing. Length, everything. Love it. The next thing I actually got just in case me and my man we're gonna take a trip to like an island or something. So this is not for this season at all. And it was a Valentine's Day kind of look. And it's this red dress with the slits. I absolutely love this. You guys know I have like 2 other things with 2 slits in them. And I just love that look. I like having my thighs out. I feel like my thighs are so sexy. They're thick and voluptuous. So I like having my thighs out, as every girl should, right? We should always like having our thighs out. But I don't like them compressed. So I don't like them in like shorts. But I really, really like them in this dress. So yeah. This dress has sleeves on it, but I don't necessarily like the sleeves. I would probably wear it sleeveless. But you do have the option to wear the sleeves. So I left the sleeves on for you guys, but I will be cutting them off. So just keep that in mind. And this last item is this bodysuit that I bought from Fashion Nova, you guys. I actually made an exact replica of this bodysuit, but now I got to buy one, which is cool. This one doesn't fit obviously as good as the one that I made because the one that I made was customized to me. But I feel like this is a good dupe. A lot of people have asked me to make them one, and I feel like now I can offer them this and like send them a link to this and they can get their own. Yeah, this is just a sexy outfit. I would wear it out to the club with some heels and rock the shit out of it because latex always looks good on a thick girl. Like, it just accentuates our curves and our body. I love it. As you can see, that's kind of the theme of this haul. Not really. Like, I feel like it's latex and earth tone. But I absolutely love everything that I got, except for like the green outfit. I'm iffy about it. I like the color, but I don't necessarily like the outfit. I'm back and forth. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I hope I didn't talk too much. I tried to keep it to a minimum. I know that my videos be long as hell, and I know I'll be talking so much. So I tried to keep it to a minimum. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it's not too short for you. Please, 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 please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Help me hit my goal of 100K by the end of the year. I feel like that's not unrealistic, so let's make it happen. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nude. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nude.